Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's check in on the Russell futures as they're maintaining upward momentum, trading higher for a third session now. And with today's price action, the Russell futures trading at another new all-time high, currently priced right around 26.93 as we move towards the close. So up about 15-20 basis points on the day, just under 0.25%, but holding on to a gain here for a third consecutive session. And looking at the driving factors, I think it's a culmination of some of the items released throughout the week, the economic data that was released throughout the week, helping to support the small caps and the prospect of continued economic activity running a little bit above what was expected as we continue to roll into 2026. And that seems to be benefiting the small caps relative to some of the other sectors in the market. And that has been really occurring here for the past couple of months as small caps have shown the ability here to outpace some of the other major equity index futures markets as we see this rotation in the market continue and continuing now into the third week here, second to third week in 2026. So we're seeing that as one of the primary drivers. And I do believe that the economic data this week helped support that moving forward. So that seems to be the primary driver. Also, just again, the rotation in the market that continues to unfold is another factor, I think, contributing to the sentiment and the sentiment around small caps and the prospect of them continuing to show some relative strength. Now, looking at the general trends, with today's price action, the Russell did put in another new all-time high where we did see all the other major equity index futures markets down slightly on the day. Not giving up much ground, but giving up just a little bit of ground. But again, when you look at it from a relative strength standpoint, none of those have been able to attain new all-time highs here in the last week or so, with the Russell continuing to maintain upward momentum. So that rotation does appear to be continuing here and helping the small caps and therefore benefiting the Russell as we see it move to another new all-time high in today's price action.